Monday here in the It's Vegan kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a recipe with this Country Crock plant-based cream replacer. I am actually using their recipe for fettuccine Alfredo. However, I've changed a little bit on it, and I am making it with angel hair pasta because that's what I prefer. And I'm also only making one serving because I'm the only vegan in the house and I'm the only one that will be eating that. This is a rundown of the basic ingredients that you'll be using. I'm going to be chopping up my parsley, and I'm using a basil leaf as well, even though the recipe just called for parsley. Okay, what you're seeing right now is some melted plant butter, cracked black pepper, Italian seasoning, lemon juice, and a little bit of garlic. So we're just getting that stuff melted together. And I am using smoked salt because that's just one of the ones I like, but you could just use regular salt. Now that this is melted together, we will be adding the cream. And again, this is vegan. If I don't say vegan, every ingredient is vegan. So that's melted together. And this is the vegan Parmesan cheese. I'm leaving about 1 tablespoon to sprinkle on top when I'm serving it. Now at this point, we're just getting this heated. I'm not even trying to bring it up to a boil, but I do want it nice and hot. I'm going to taste the sauce and see if the seasoning seems right. I think the seasoning's good. So the next thing I'm going to do is boil the pasta and keep this on warm. The next step is to put the pasta and sauce together. Now, I didn't measure that this was exactly 2 ounces of pasta. I just took a guess. So stir it around. It smells delicious. And then next, I'm going to put it on my plate, and I'm serving it with fresh lettuce. And what I found out recently was that if I buy a flavorful salad green, I do not even need to have a dressing on it. So this is the parsley and basil leaf along with some extra parmesan. I'm going to put on some cracked black pepper. And I wasn't planning on doing this, but I thought it would look really pretty and taste good, of course, with a few mushrooms on top. So there you have it. It's a great dish. It's very quick to make. Before I go to the taste test, I wanted to tell you about this product. I'm really happy with it. I froze some of it, I thawed it, and it seemed absolutely fine. If you are the only vegan in your house or you're cooking single servings of things, it's great that you can freeze the product and use it down the road. Now for the taste test. I put some on the fork. The sauce is a nice consistency. It blended so well with the angel hair. Well, this is a winner in my book. I'll be making it again, and I hope that you'll come back next week and that you will like, subscribe, and just tell your friends about this delicious recipe.